Ice, you're behind the scenes.
Come in.
You're not even the host anymore. We took over your jobs.
Thank you. Hi.
I'm Miggi.
I'm Alex, and we're here today for another cooking with that
That's not our show.
chaotic cookery.
Gotta say it with pizzazz.
Pizzazz.
Yeah.
Chaotic cookery.
Pizzazz.
You're volume at low. We're here with another episode of what was it called? Chaotic Cookery. Today is February 25. Hey, we're filming here. And she kicked the tape. She kicked the chair. Yeah, but the shot's different now. So unprofessional. Today is February 25, and in the Philippines, it's the anniversary of the EDSA Revolution.
Or should I say EggSA?
Fun fact.
What the?
No, we should explain. The EDSA Revolution was an important part of Filipino history. You should read up on it if you're a Filipino.
It was tying in with the whole thing, me and Manaig fighting over like who makes better eggs.
Yeah.
And just so happened, eggs. To all the people who love puns out there, you're gonna love this episode.
Yeah.
I made her study egg puns for this. Oh wait, I just realized I never did that thing where with myself, where we list fun facts about me.
Oh,
I just realized I've done it with everyone else except me.
Exactly.
So okay, so I'll just do a face for that. So for today, this was supposed to be a competition until Alex found out what I was making. Because she's just gonna do scrambled eggs and I was gonna do a frittata. But then when I told her a frittata requires baking, she immediately got nervous and backed out.
I lost my touch.
So what Ice and Thisa suggested is that instead of a competition, it's going to be eggs two ways. Eggs if you want to impress someone.
Which is this frittata. And eggs like how you make it on your own. You know, the mediocre kind of
Yeah, drunk at night.
I'm
We're responsible adults.
yeah, but you know what I mean.
Yeah, so that's what we're gonna do today. Alright, so let's get to it. That clap was out of sync, but who cares?
So my ingredients are just so simple. You just need eggs, of course, and pepper. No, it's not pepper. Pepper and salt. You know, it doesn't have to be pink salt. Seriously,
It's just aesthetic.
They're just fancy. And yeah, butter. It's just the way you cook it now. It's different. So yeah, morato, of course. So simple.
And for my case, it's pretty much the same ingredients. Egg. Salt, pepper. If you want the extravagant butter. That's pretty much it. But if you want to go the extra step, there's garlic and onions there, which Alex failed to see.
Oh yeah, that one.
If you want to go
But
the
that's
extra
Miggi's.
Bell pepper.
Yeah, you need.
For your frittata.
You don't need a bell pepper for frittata.
You do though.
Fine, let's a bell pepper then. Just okay. Miggi, when you're editing, just add like a bell pepper right here.
Why can't you just finish it? Everybody knows how to cook eggs. Okay, pagdali na.
Egg experts.
I don't think.
We're not experts.
We're not experts, by the way. So
So
please
painful.
bear with us.
Let's get cracking.
Okay.
Egg puns for. I wish I was behind the scenes, but it's okay. Anyway, so stop. You can stop now. Okay, we're going to do my frittata first because it makes more sense because mine requires baking.
Yes. Now start.
Alex, your job right now is to
Sabotage.
cut.
What? I thought this is your no.
Okay, so you're gonna help me cut that up while I.
Can't believe I'm doing your job.
I'm also gonna do other stuff, dude.
Like you want this mince?
Half of it.
Like half?
Yeah.
What?
Half the onion. Meanwhile, I'm gonna. Oh wait, no, I'm gonna try to do it one-handed. Wait, we didn't even clean out the set.
Excuse me, we're cleaning up the set.
Kani, ana lang.
Yes.
Ana lang na way.
Yes.
Okay.
Speak English for our audience. We
I
have.
don't know.
Speak
Okay.
Tagalog.
Deko.
So I'm doing it one-handed.
So thin.
Oh.
How
Like,
many?
maybe like 2 or 3.
Just 2 weeks.
Two na lang. Don't ask me that you're going to. You're
Oh,
like,
no.
it's like how many? 2. Idiot. You only need 2.
Sorry, good.
To be honest, I'm asking you to do that because I'm not good at that.
Oh, smashing? The garlic?
No, the cutting garlic and onions in general.
So this means...
Okay, done.
Done.
It's done.
Okay, so now, actually no. Gordon Ramsay said don't season your eggs because it'll turn out watery.
Yeah.
You sound like you're disappointed.
It'll mess with the
I was gonna
texture.
say that on
Yeah.
mine. But no, it's fine. I'm gonna season mine.
Season after.
Season it like in the middle of cooking, not like before.
Yeah, sure.
You're gonna take forever to cook eggs.
Okay, Lego.
Lego! We haven't cut the cheese yet.
What?
Baling gagmay.
This is fine na? You make it look so This is like what you put in when no cheese this time. You know, they're so cheap at home. Pizza!
Why are you shaking? Just
I don't know. I'm nervous.
It's just cheese! Oh wait, no, I have to be like Ice for this one.
This is the stuff.
Oh my
Goodness.
Okay, so now we're gonna start making my egg.
Okay, so
Let's test if it's ready. Yeah, they're ready.
you hear that sizzle sound.
Hear that sizzle?
It's not very sizzly.
Now this sounds sizzle. Don't get beat up, Ice.
You are.
You have to look at the sunny side of things.
Yeah, you're egging him.
Wait, oh my god. I was shaking because I laughed.
Okay, now we add the egg.
Leg.
And did you know in French?
Tamago.
What?
It's Japanese.
Okay. In French, egg is œuf. So yeah. I didn't season it. get the salt and pepper at the quick. The point now is to just cook the bottom of the egg. That's the point of why we're at the stove first. If I mention that we're gonna bake this, and it's very hard to cook the bottom of the egg because the bottom's being covered, right? Okay.
Your cheese.
Oh yeah, the cheese. I'm sorry. I really am not. Oh no, actually no.
Oh my god! Why didn't you spread it?
Shh.
It's fine.
Actually,
Okay.
we can turn off the heat. Just add it in, please. Thank you. Yeah, as you can see, I really did not prepare for this, but in the end, it's still gonna look good. No, this is fine.
iPhone storage full.
Oh.
The better save the video. Okay, so I'm not sure if you can be seen. Now we're done.
No.
Can I be seen?
Wait. I will just remove.
Now we're done.
Look at Manaig. No, so blooming. Look at that. You have a boyfriend, Lex?
Nope.
Interesting. Look at this.
Single, ready to mingle, right? I'm like a father.
Miggi looks like a father, but
Like
who's
a
like.
father, single, right? You better be single.
It's Alex back straight.
I realize my back is also not straight.
You're slouching.
Sorry, I slouched.
Me too. Well, that was a disaster with the frittata. You know, the whole point of this show is chaos, so we really are not prepared. Let's do her scrambled eggs for when you're home alone, hungover, or hungover like Alex is.
This is
every
a
day.
hungover woman.
So just cracking 3 eggs in a bowl that Miggi used kanina. Brown eggs, very healthy.
I'm gonna channel my inner Thisa.
Okay. Okay. She's watching.
Yeah,
She's
and
on
I can tell her, I can feel her judgment already. Like, you're wasting so much egg.
Okay. Pepper. Chili.
Do you not know how this works? Turn it around.
I know. Nasobra mong good look.
Then, okay. Oh, sorry.
I know.
Did you crack it while the lid was on?
Yeah, I was curious. Tapos ito. Oh, wow, so fancy naman. Wait, it's so hard to crack. I don't know. Ba? Tama na yan?
I'll do it.
So,
You don't, yeah, I just
I
realized
don't
you
have
don't.
strength.
You're going the wrong way, but good.
I'm left-handed. Oh my gosh.
All of it, Beth.
No, that's how she does it.
Oh, fine. Sorry. Her dish. Why am I dictating?
And now she's doing all of it.
Mimi. So, you're just gonna wait until ma-cook siya. So bingo.
What else? What other egg puns can we do, Alex? You studied, right?
Yeah, but I can't remember, no?
Oh, wow.
Nagsiguro ako.
Lyra, she's not good in studying.
Quick,
Yeah.
scramble. Hey, you know, scramble to find the thing.
Stop. I don't like.
Okay, I'm
eggplants.
gonna let you do that on your own.
Why don't leave me here? Dapat mag-talk-talk sa man. We're not Ice and Ice.
Yeah, we're not. We're a crack team.
Crack.
I'm busting out all the puns that I can think of right now because you know this is messy. We're gonna shell some things out. We're gonna shell some things out. Your face looks so. I thought you loved puns.
I'm so done.
Okay, fine. Let's talk about some positive things. Alex, how's school? Any exams? Any exams recently?
No positive things.
Please don't ask me about school.
Why? You had a bad experience.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah, I don't want to talk about it.
Let me insert the mini sermon here. Take this yolk.
Say kayo kapag. You're so lame. You're lame.
That's so good.
Di ba, nadali na kayo siya mo heat up.
Why are you guys laughing? That joke was so good.
No, shut up. Loser ka.
2,000 years later.
Come on, melt.
It's so hot here. We need to just chill.
Oh, it's nothing na. Oh, ko naman. Okay.
So, in conclusion,
They were good eggs.
Yeah, they were good eggs. One is different. One has many layers. The other one is like a one note
Good
thing.
egg and okay egg.
No, I feel like this. I like Miggi's.
No, as a person ba? Good
I like-
egg, okay egg.
Okay.
I'm a rotten egg.
So to end this video, you all should read up on the EDSA Revolution and why it's important in the Filipino lives and why. Yeah, that's it. And why. Yeah. See, I keep starting to run. So yeah, that's it. She's never.
This is my favorite shot of me.
It's like. Bye. Happy EggSA Revolution.
Happy EggSA Revolution.
You should try
anniversary.
it. Maybe you should make deviled eggs.
You should get excited. You should try the EDSA Revolution.
No, you shouldn't try that. Bye. Bye. There wasn't enough egg puns, so we gotta
I tried
exit.
the good egg, bad egg.
Oh.